Hi everyone! Ever find yourself with a whole shelf of different cleaning products piling up at home? But what if I told you that a good half of them could easily be replaced with regular vinegar? The same one you can find in any store for pennies. It's just as effective at fighting limescale, unpleasant odors and dirt as the advertised chemicals. In this video I'll show you 9 unexpected uses for vinegar. I am sure some of them will be a revelation. Method 1. A lifesaver for a thermos that started to smell unpleasant. You will need about 250 ml of hot water, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Pour the mixture into the thermos, close the lid, and shake vigorously to ensure the liquid touches all the walls. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, longer for persistent odors. Then rinse with clean water. The secret is simple. The odor is caused by bacteria and residue from tea or coffee, and acetic acid dissolves the residue and kills the bacteria. Even a stubborn odor can be removed by leaving the solution overnight. Method 2. Your faucet will sparkle again in just a couple of minutes. Dampen a cloth or napkin with vinegar and wipe the surface, paying particular attention to areas with a whitish coating. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse and wipe dry. This coating is simply limescale from tap water, and the acid dissolves it perfectly without abrasive sponges or expensive chemicals. For heavy soiling, you can wrap the faucet in a cloth soaked in vinegar. For details, watch the video at the link above on the right. Method 3. Descaling your kettle. Fill it with water and add vinegar depending on the level of buildup. Boil and let it sit for 10 minutes. If the buildup is thick, leave it longer. Then we pour the liquid directly into the sink. Scale is the same as limescale, and vinegar dissolves it instantly. By the way, pouring this water down the sink also cleans the drain, eliminating any odors. A double benefit in one action. Afterwards, simply rinse the kettle with clean water. Method 4. Extending the life of a bouquet. Bacteria actively multiply in the water, which makes the stems less able to absorb moisture. Vinegar suppresses these bacteria and slightly acidifies the water, helping the flowers last longer. However, this isn't suitable for all plants. Roses, tulips, carnations, chrysanthemums, and gerberas respond well. But lilies, white flowers and orchids don't benefit from this additive. About a teaspoon of vinegar per liter of cool water is enough. Remember to change the water every 1 to 2 days and trim the stems to enhance the effect. Method 5. Freshen up your fridge. Mix equal parts water and vinegar and wipe down all the shelves and walls, especially corners and dirty areas. Odors are caused by bacteria and food residue, and vinegar neutralizes them, not just masks them like many store-bought products. If the odor is persistent, you can leave a glass of vinegar inside for a couple of hours. The vinegar smell will quickly dissipate. Method 6. Restore softness to stiff towels. The cause of stiffness and odor isn't the age of the fabric, but rather the accumulated residue of detergent, fabric softener, and minerals from the water. Simply pour vinegar into the fabric softener compartment of your washing machine and run a regular wash cycle. The acid dissolves deposits, cleans the fibers, and kills bacteria. Your towels will be fresh and soft again. Method 7. Cleaning the microwave. Mix 250 ml of water with 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Place it inside and turn on full power for 5 minutes. Don't open the door immediately, let it sit for a couple of minutes. Then wipe the walls with a sponge or cloth. Vinegar steam softens grease and dried-on stains, making them come off with almost no effort. For stubborn stains, use paper towels. It also eliminates odors like stewed cabbage or fish. Method 8. Removing salt stains from winter boots. Mix equal parts water and vinegar. This should only be done with dry suede, so first dry the boots completely, then brush off the dried salt with a brush or dry cloth. Using a cotton pad soaked in the solution and slightly wrung out, blot the stains with a gentle motion. The acid dissolves the salt crystals. It's important to use a highly diluted solution and be careful not to over-dry the material. Blot away excess moisture with a paper towel. Let the boots air dry without a hair dryer or radiator. And once dry, brush them to restore their velvety texture. Method 9. Limescale on the bathroom tiles. Apply a paper towel to the stained area, soak it thoroughly in vinegar, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then remove the towel and wipe the surface with a damp cloth. The towel holds the solution in place, preventing it from drying, so the acid has time to dissolve even stubborn limescale stains. Here are 9 simple vinegar life hacks. 1 bottle can replace half of your household cleaning products, working quickly, effectively, and affordably. Share your tried and true vinegar hacks in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.